Hey, where the heck is Meridian, Idaho anyway? That is a great question. In today's video, I'll show you the actual boundaries of the city. We'll talk about why freeway access is so important in Meridian. I'll show you how Meridian breaks down into four quadrants, and then I'll point out some of the amazing things that Meridian has to offer. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Luke Gilbert. I run the Open House Boise team here at Keller Williams Realty Boise, and we know Meridian. Before we get started here, guys, please hit the subscribe button. The purpose of this channel is to make your move to Idaho simple and safe, and we're going to continue to provide content that does exactly that. Let's get started. Meridian is in the beautiful state of Idaho, which is in the Pacific Northwest corner of the country, tucked into the Sawtooth Mountain Range. And Meridian has the advantage of being centrally located in the Treasure Valley. It not only shares a border with Boise, it also shares a border with Eagle, with Nampa, and Kuna. And its central location is one of the reasons it's such a wonderful place to live in the valley. Now, there's a very good chance you started your search for Meridian by typing Meridian into your Google Maps, and this is what came up. Now, there's a few problems with this map, but first of all, it's hard to see, so let's outline the boundary here. And now I'm going to take you over to the City of Meridian's current land use map for a comparison. I'm going to show you by overlaying Google's map here, but the reality is the land mass of the City of Meridian is significantly larger than what Google is showing you. And the advantage there, guys, is there are some wonderful places to live in Meridian that fall outside of Google's boundaries. And now your destination, should you decide to move to Meridian, Idaho, just got at least a third larger. There are two major dividing lines in the City of Meridian, and the first is Franklin Road dividing the north from the south, and then Linder Road dividing the east from the west, creating four distinct quadrants that make up the City of Meridian. There are very compelling reasons to live in any one of these quadrants, and we'll break that out in future videos. Now, if you're anything like me, you hate traffic and you're moving to Idaho to get away from it. If that's true, keep your eye on the yellow line in the middle of this map. I-84 is the only freeway that ties the Treasure Valley to Boise, and the closer you can get to it, the shorter your commute. Now, there is such thing as too close to the freeway, so keep your eye on that. But if you're moving to Idaho and the number one thing on your list is a commutable distance, I would take a long look at South Meridian. North Meridian generally is more developed, giving it a slight disadvantage in commute time to the freeway. All right, guys, so now that you know where Meridian is, let's talk about just a handful of things that make it special. We're out of 103 cities surveyed across the entire state of Idaho. Meridian took the number 9 spot for individual median income. We've got a 2.3% unemployment rate and one of the lowest crime rates across the entire valley. It really is a special place to live, guys, and it's no surprise that it's one of the fastest growing city centers in the country. Hey, these videos lead to a lot of awesome conversations, and we love it. If you would like to get in touch with the team, please check the links below. There's a link to the webpage, a link to get on my calendar. And if you'd like to leave a comment, we'll make sure we get back to you. We read all of those comments. And thanks for being here today, guys. I hope you appreciated the view of Meridian. Take care.